I am going to the fish pond. I'm gonna go see where the salmons are. Gosh, it's a little bit scary, guys. My husband is on the other side. Hopefully it's just me alone over around here. Oh, I see a lady. So I think I'm just gonna go in and see what's there. There's a path here. I'll try to see if salmons. Oh, I see some coming up. This is a good spot to watch them. Oh, I can see them in the deep water as well, guys. And down there I can see them coming up. So about right there where that rock is, I can see 2 salmon in there already. I can see 2 salmon beside that rock trying to go up this water here. And also I can see some dead salmon in there too. But this body of water, they're coming from down there. And they have to add up this water right here. This is where the water coming down, and then it's getting a little bit rough. And I can see the shadow down there. The amount of fish that down there that wants to go up right now. Like this is the path that they have to take to go up. No movement as yet. But way up there I can see salmons coming up where the shadow is. Oh, one just went up. I can't imagine how far these salmons are coming from. I just imagine. So yeah, I know that these guys have to go up here, but I'm gonna try to see if I can go around there to see. Oh. Yeah, I'm not gonna see anything up here, guys. I just don't want to fall. Yeah! Good. And they come into this deep water right here. I can see one over here. And there's one right there. As I move, I try to get up there. So this is a deeper water, and over there I can see one. Probably resting. And I'm gonna go down here. Yeah? I'm on the other side. I can see down there a lot of them trying to come up. And there's another one. It's two of them right there. Sometimes they travel in pairs. I want to go up here and try to see if I can see if any will go up while I'm down here. I'm right here. Yeah? Okay. I'm right here. As I left, guys, I can see all of them coming up from down there. As I'm in the bushes, as you can see, trying to see if I can find some salmon for my my YouTube. Oh my goodness, I see so many action down there. All these fish trying to come upstream here. Whoa. As soon as I left, guys, they're all coming up. I'm pretty sure right down in here probably packed with salmon, because I can't see them, but wow, what a rush that is. And I can see right now they're lining up to get up there. All these guys are lining up to get upstream right now. Wow. They're coming down in lots, like twos at a time, threes at a time. All those flash in the water, guys, is salmon's coming up. And I don't want to miss this when they're all trying to get upstream. As you can see, also the color of the leaves are changing. All around me, the colors of the leaves are changing. Not much, like I just came back from the States and the leaf is actually, there's so much fallen. Right here, guys, I can't wait for these two to move and get upstream. I want to catch it. And as you can see right down here, they're just lining up to get up there. Look how big these things are. Oh my goodness, that one in the back, it's huge. They're just lining up to get up there. You can see more of them joining in. That one going. That one get up. And these ones are trying to. They're like so close, like I can use my hands and just catch them. But I don't think it's that easy either. A couple of dead fishes right here. They probably just run out of steam. And those two on that side have moved from a long time now. They're taking a long rest. This one is on the move. Alright, find his way up. You can see more coming up right down there. This one making a run for it. Now it's stuck with these two. You have to have energy to go up there, guys. And I'm pretty sure there's gonna be a lot more to climb. Look at these two at the same time. I'm making a run for it. Like right down here. You can see how many salmon just waiting their turn in the deep water. There's one going up and one stay behind. Like I said, they travel in pairs, guys. You can see the amount of fishes that are trying to come upstream up there. Alright, I think that's enough for salmon today. You can, I don't know if you can see all the way down there, guys. There's so much salmon coming, trying to get up here. Right in this little spot here. They're just waiting. And you can hear all these splashes. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Like I said, guys, it's salmon season, and I'm just trying to video around some of the places. The water is foamy.
With someone wrong.
I like to just watch them.
I didn't know when the meat's done properly, it's not taste bad either. No?
I know.
I used to cut this bigger deal and never taste too bad at all. I was trying to like a even the eggs, it's the right person to put but yeah. You just don't have fun in a mood, same fish.
You can spun like that? I don't know. Or we're just trying to get up. Guys, then coming to catch salmon soon. It's like you can hold this one so close.
That's the one. Yeah,
There's
that's the
so
one
much of
color there.
them. Huh?
Them young one here.
Yeah,
That's a
they're
good
pretty.
one. That's a good one. Man. Too.
Whoa. You see how much of them coming from down there? It's like quarter time. Wow. Amazing.
I'm wondering if these were the baby born last year spawning.
No, they're
But
open.
that's a big so far. And put on
Another
another
one right here. These are the babies from last year.
Let's spawn and let's finish spawn the week.
Don't want to fall. Ooh, so fishy. And so they're coming from down there and come up all the way here. Any black spot you see up there, there's salmon. There's so much, but I don't know if my camera will pick it up. There's one right here.
Yeah, I'm gonna go in the black. Come on, I'm gonna go in the black here. They keep getting pictures.
Don't want to fall. Ooh, so fishy. And so they're coming from down there and come up all the way here. These salmon are huge. Gosh, there's so much. Gotta be like 10 pounds. Gosh, guys, if you ever smell this right now, it smells so fishy. Wow, lots of fish right here. Lots of salmon.
The bite when after the snap. That all depends on the delivery because
Oh my goodness, you know how much salmon there right here? Look down. There's so much salmon. Wow, they're plentiful today. Salmon season, guys.
Try go. Remember it's all the time, you know. Last year we didn't find that
There is so much salmon just right here, guys.